Are you trying to eat? Your mommy almost dropped her cake on the floor. Mira. Hey, Mira. What you got,
Mira,
cake?
look at Megan. Look at Auntie Megan. Mira. Woo. Yummy yum. Yum in the tum.
You holding on your cake for dear life?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Yum.
If you look at Mira's hand down there, she's got her whole piece of cake.
She's offering Megan some.
Are you gonna share?
Gonna share.
You gonna share with the camera?
Here.
Look at you
You want a
go.
little frosting? Here you go.
Yeah, Nom.